guys. It's been a while. I know I've been gone for about 3 months. I think my last video was in October. But I have an exciting video for you guys today. It's gonna be my empty apartment tour. So we recently got a new apartment and it's exciting because it's the first space that I will be decorating and that will be all the style that I want. I've chosen mostly everything that I want, or kind of my vision about what I want. My next goal is to actually find those things and see if they actually exist. But I wanted to share with you guys my empty apartment tour just because it is a huge journey of mine and my first one at that. So I hope you guys can forgive me for being gone for so long. I know 3 months is a long time, but I promise that I am working on putting up new videos for you guys, and I have a lot planned, and I have a lot of ideas, and especially with this new place, it makes me more excited to film. And if you guys are new, subscribe down below so you don't miss out on any of my new videos, especially exciting apartment furnishing ones. I plan on doing another apartment tour video once everything is furnished, and then I'll share with you guys where everything is from. Other than that, follow me on my Instagram as well. I'm gonna be posting a lot of like behind the scenes stuff and more like my day-to-day life and everything like that. So if you guys are interested in that, follow me there, like my pictures. Also comment down below what kind of videos you would like to see from me. Yeah, I'm excited to get back into the swing of things and film in this new space. There's a lot of natural light that comes in here and I'm so excited to just play around with that. But I think I've been rambling on for way too long and you guys didn't come here to hear me talk, you came for the tour. So without further ado, let's get into the empty apartment tour. Okay, so this is how it looks when you first walk in. Let me just do a quick overview. This is the living room, dining area, and then the kitchen. So let's start over here. When you first walk in, so the door is right behind me, and then we have this is like a closet thing. So right now we just have our vacuum, broom, little mop thingy, and then just pretty much cleaning stuff in here. It's actually a pretty good size, which I'm very surprised and pleased with. And then once you walk over here, this is our living room area. So the first thing we actually bought for this apartment was a couch, and I was very particular on what couch to get, what style I wanted, what color, what fabric I wanted. So I found this one and I fell in love with it, and at first I thought we wouldn't be able to get it because we thought it would be too big for this space, but actually turned out to be perfect. So I'm glad. But this is the Amherst couch from Living Spaces, and it wasn't customizable or anything like that. So this is the only color I sell it with, and it happened to be one that I love. And then if you could see, the legs are like a deep chestnut walnut color, which is very nice, and it's kind of like the color scheme that I wanted to go for in this apartment. Then if you go over here, there's this huge wall, which eventually we're gonna get a nice TV, but for now we have this old one that we've just been connecting our laptops to watch Netflix. But eventually we'll have a TV here, and then a cute little TV stand slash drawer cupboard thing. And then here we just have this painting, or not painting, this poster that we've had. I actually gifted this to my boyfriend about 4 years ago. And then we have a fireplace, which is nice and cozy. Just a random candle that I just bought at Target, just to get like that new paint smell out of the apartment that I've been doing. And this smell is falling leaves from Target. All right, moving along. This is a little walkway that we wanted. I envisioned to put like a nice little plant here, or maybe over here. And then this just leads to the balcony. So it's like a decent size, not too big. And then we just have two random folding chairs out there. That is the living room. And then walking over, this is where I was standing. So this is the front door. And then this was the cabinet thing with all our cleaning supplies. So when you walk here, you'll see this. These are dining chairs that we just bought. We're not going to put them together yet, not until we get our dining table. So just because there's no use for it, so we just have that laying there. And then we just have our shoes on this little shoe stand that we got at Target. So we'll have a dining table here, and then I want to get like a cute rug to go under it. And then over here I want to get a mirror, and then a plant or a side table right here, and then maybe like a little table here to be able to put like my purse or our keys or our wallet or anything like that that we need like to run out the door. Is our kitchen, and let me see if the lighting is good. Not really, so let's just keep it like this. So what I really like about this kitchen is that it's open. I really like how it opens up to the dining area and the living room. I really didn't want a kitchen that was kind of closed off and like kind of shoved in a corner. So I really like this, and I really like how there's like a little island counter area, which is nice. So there's a lot of space. So it's like a standard kitchen, a lot of storage, which I love. It's awesome because we can literally put everything and anything, and then we could also put like plants or like cute little decorative things up here. A nice fridge, which is pretty empty. Not really. We've been here for about a week now or something. So we have that, and then it's nice that it has an ice maker. So we don't have to like fill up those little trays. Yeah, so a nice fridge, a lot of drawers and cabinets, and then it's a nice appliances as well, which I really appreciate. So this is just a little overview. Yeah, don't mind the dirty dishes. I just cleaned those, so they're drying. Yeah. And then a little hack. It's cheaper to get a trash can at TJ Maxx for sure. We were literally on a hunt for trash cans, and I could not believe that trash cans were like $80 or something like that. And I was like, I'm not gonna spend $80 on a trash can, not right now. So we got this for $40 at TJ Maxx, and it's a really good size. It was like exactly what we wanted. So of course, a rice maker because I'm Filipino, and a coffee maker, knives. We still need to get like a fruit basket, cute little cutting board slash decorative thing that I got for my boyfriend for Christmas. Which is cute. And then the selling point in this apartment was for sure having a washer and dryer available in unit. Such a big closet too. Like we have like extra paper towels and sheets up there, and then obviously our detergent. But yeah, I really like it. And then moving on, you walk into here. This is the bedroom. This is a one bedroom, by the way, and the bathroom. So let's start with the bedroom. This is a pretty decent sized bedroom. Don't mind that, my boyfriend's workstation, but this is the overview. So there's a nice big window with a lot of natural light, which I love. And we have this. So we don't have a bed frame yet. We have the mattress, we just haven't bought the bed frame. We just have random stuff here that we haven't found a place for. We actually have these two paintings, one right there and one right here. These are from Wine and Paint, and my boyfriend was insisting that we hang those up because he was obsessed with them. So we have that one, and then I painted this one. Our sheets are from Target, and the comforter is from Amazon. And this comforter is very, very, very nice. It's not too thick, especially because where we live, we don't need it to be thick at all. It really doesn't get that cold here. So I'll link this down below if you guys need like a nice comforter that is still warm but not going to kill you while you're sleeping. Oh, I forgot to mention that it is carpet in here, which I didn't really like at first, but now I'm appreciating because it's way more cozy, I feel like. Looking over here, this is a massive walk-in closet. Please do not mind the mess. We have not organized at all, but I really like all of the storage. There's a lot of hanging area, and then obviously the room is really tall, so we have room to maybe put like boxes up here or like little bins so we could stack more stuff. And then it wraps around all the way over here, which is so nice. It's huge and it's so nice. I'm obsessed. So you can see like how big it is. And then I was joking with my boyfriend that since he works from home, he could make this like his little office nook. Like since there's like a little indent here, like he could literally put his desk here and work from here. But obviously he was not too fond of that idea. So we have the bathroom, and you will see me here. Not looking the hottest, but that's what happens when you move. This is a Adidas sweatshirt I stole from my boyfriend, and then just black sweats because comfort is key. This is the bathroom. Don't mind our towels. My theme for this apartment is nude and like cream and white. We have this shower, and I love it because we don't have to put curtains or anything up. It's a glass sliding door, which is nice, and it's a huge bathtub as well, very wide. And then obviously basic toilet, sink with a lot of storage. And then these rugs, I love my socks, but this rug is from Target, and it's memory foam, and it's very soft, and the color is perfect. The only thing is that it annoys me that it's hard to find contour rugs for the toilet to match this. So we had to compromise and just get this one. But it's fine because it matches my whole color scheme that I'm going for. And then this is just like a linen closet that we haven't filled up yet. So that is pretty basic. That is the bathroom. And then I wanted to share with you guys kind of what my ideas are for this space. And so I told you guys what I was kind of envisioning here. For the living area or living room area, I want a round coffee table that's like kind of like bamboo-y, like a bamboo color, and like that kind of bohemian kind of feel. So if you guys know any cute ones, I saw one on Living Spaces. It's just a little too small for me, so we didn't end up getting that. But I want that. And then I want like a cute little fluffy rug to be put under here, but that's not a priority right now since we do have carpet here. And then I want like a cute white TV stand here, just because I don't want too much dark. I want it to still be like light and airy when you walk into here. I told you guys that we're gonna put a TV here. And then I don't know what to put over a mantle yeah, I just don't really know. I might put like a round mirror. I've been seeing that on Pinterest a lot, a round mirror, and just like some cute little things here, maybe some hanging plants, I don't know. And then here I'll link the chairs that we got. They're kind of like a walnut. It actually matches the bottom of the couch that I showed you guys earlier. So I got 4 chairs from Overstock. We're gonna get a table from Living Spaces that matches the color of the seats perfectly, and it's like the perfect dimension to fit here as well. And then I plan on getting like a medallion style rug here, probably like a muted orange or nude color to be put under here. And then we are going to buy like a runner rug to go all the way down here, and I'm thinking like a light red. Tell me if I'm crazy, but I really want the tones to be warm in here and no like blues or grays. Up here there's kind of like a weird little cabinet space that they added here, but we're gonna get like some plants. Yeah, but that is the overview of the space. I will for sure film another video to show you guys when everything is furnished and decorated. I'm just excited because this is like the first space that I'll be decorating. Of course, it's not my own space, so I have to consult with my boyfriend, but this is exciting. I'm very excited to take you guys on this journey. And then let me know if you guys have any suggestions for the coffee table or anything like that I mentioned. But yeah,